Hello, everyone. I'm MG the Realtor, your go to agent for commercial real estate here in Central Florida. And in today's video, I'm going to take a deep dive into the savviest ways to tap into the commercial industry. Have you ever wondered what kind of investments would actually give you an instant cash flow, or what kind of investments require very minimal management or overhead to maintain? I'm going to cover the top 4 investments, whether you're a beginner or an advanced investor, that will give you instant cash flow and will actually be a great addition to your portfolios. And as usual, make sure you follow and subscribe. And if you have any questions about commercial real estate, comment below and I might answer it in the next video. And without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have flex warehouses. Now, the industrial real estate industry, as it is a gold mine, especially in this market, but the flex warehouse is really the gemstone. With the increase of a direct to consumer type of business, you're going to have a huge demand for small to medium sized businesses that want to run their full operations out of the warehouse. Having a flex warehouse gives them the versatility to do so because it combines office space with the warehouse space. Next on the list is parking lots. And I know that many of you have probably never thought about buying a plot of land and thinking that you can convert it into something that gives you instant cash flow. But a parking lot is just that. Investing in parking lots is very low maintenance. You do just buy the land, you lay some gravel down, make sure that all your permits and zoning are in place, and you can run it as a parking lot. Or you can lease it out to a third party that would do the same. And the number 3 savviest investment that can get you instant cash flow is often overlooked, but it is self storages. Now, in case you didn't know, self storages have actually been outperforming other sectors for years. And that is because they can provide a consistent return with very low maintenance. With self storages, location is key. So make sure that you think strategically about where you're purchasing these self storages because some areas might be oversaturated. The number 4 savviest commercial real estate investment that can provide instant cash flow: coin operated laundromats. It is very unconventional, but hear me out. This is perfect for beginners, and these ventures offer a simple way to just dip your toes into the real estate investment world. Consider converting unused spaces or leasing equipment to minimize those initial costs, but once you're set up, it pretty much runs on its own. And there you have it, some unique and unconventional ways to tap into commercial real estate and get some instant cash flow. If you like the information that I shared, make sure you like and comment any questions that you have about commercial real estate below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the commercial real estate happenings in Central Florida. Until next time.